Big Screen Movie Collector.
Hi all, welcome to the channel, and for the existing viewers, welcome back. I weren't going to do this, but there's just so much stuff piling up. I think I think I'll be doing myself a favour, so I'm just gonna, I don't know if there's one or two, I'm not sure what's, oh my god, I'm not sure what's in this, so I believe this from Zabba. Yeah, nah, definitely gonna be from Zabba. So okay, so there's, oh, okay, two. You know, unbox, I think, oh, was that the steelbook? I'm not sure, you know. Lost. Anyway, we got we got Wreck-It Ralph, which is awesome. I need to check on that. Do you know what? I'm doing it anyway. If I ain't, I'll just give it to someone. Like, if I've got it, I'll just give this to someone. Or should I? Oh yeah, yeah, it doesn't matter because I've ordered it from Zabe, so I'd rather give it to someone if I've got it. Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pull out what I've got. Wreck-It Ralph. I think I've got a few different things. Is that the same? Same thing. Okay, let's crack that open. Is that a double, I think? Yeah. I think you get the 4K size and the Blu Ray. So that's the Blu Ray. And let me put that the right way around. There's a 4K. That's wicked, days. I like that. I like the picture disc. Awesome. I'm actually glad though. Like I say, I need to look. I mean, if I haven't got the 4K of this one, I know I've got the second one, Breaks the Internet, because I got that from Japan. And I know I've published that, so. But yeah, Wreck-It. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Catch you in the next one. It's got one more in there, in this. So I'd rather do them separately than together. Okay guys, well, I'm going to do some stuff together. Star Wars hint hint. And Avatar hint hint. Oh my god. Do you know what? We'll see. I don't know. But have a great day. Wish you all a great day. And see you guys next time. Bye bye.